let's learn something quite interesting, something that you need, something that everyone needs. Friends. Sometimes it's good to have. Sometimes it's just dragging you down. For me, I pick who I want to be friend with. Okay? So if you have a lot of friends, good for you. If you have no friends at all, good for you. All right, let's get on with this, man. The word in Thai for friends is เพื่อน 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 means friends. Okay? เพื่อน You want to go to Thailand and you travel alone, for sure you're going to end up having some friends, some Thai friends or other travelers' friends. So it's good to have friends because they watch your back for you. But if you don't have friends because you don't need one, hey, you like one-man wolf pack, just like me. I don't care. I'll go where I want, when I want. I don't have to wait for nobody, you know what I'm saying? How do you use these words in Thailand? There's a different type. First one is travel friends. All right? We call it เพื่อนเที่ยว 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 means travel friends. Just say you go to Thailand by yourself and you met someone, another traveler. You're like, hey man, you going to go down south? You're like, yeah, let's do it. They call it เพื่อนเที่ยว You go together. You just sightseeing or expedition or exploring together, Or sometimes you want to go travel to another country together or whatever. It doesn't have to be male and female. It can be just friends, like male guys to guys and females and females, right? No matter what gender. เพื่อนเที่ยว means travel friends. Go together anywhere. Now, next one, friends you can talk to. เพื่อนคุย 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 means a friend you can talk to, someone you can talk to. You just sitting there at the cafe and you're just bored, and you met someone. Hey man, let's talk about this. Where are you from? This and that, this and that. You get along, right? So you become friends you can talk to. เพื่อนคุย just like shooting the breeze, Or sometime you have a serious problem. You want to talk more in depth of a serious conversation. You can always count on this friend because they are เพื่อนคุย They're always there for you. You can always talk to them. And next one is close friends or best friends. เพื่อนสนิท 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 means best friends, close friends, closest friends. You go everywhere together. If you don't, then you want to show someone, hey man, this is my close friend, this is my best friend. You tell a person about a story of something, right? Yeah, me and my best friend went for a beer. Best friend or close friend we call เพื่อนสนิท เพื่อนสนิท You can use that when you're at the bar and you get drunk. And you're like, hey man, like you have your hands around their neck and like, hey man, you're like my closest friend, I just met you like 5 minutes ago, but like you're like my best friend. เพื่อนสนิท Okay? Someone walk by and say, hey, who is that? Well, that's my best friend. เพื่อนสนิท What's your name again? Yeah, that's my best friend. เพื่อนสนิท Okay? But seriously though, close friends, best friend, เพื่อนสนิท Next one is old friends. Someone you haven't seen in a long time. High school friends, workmates, or whatever, Old friends you haven't seen in a long time. เพื่อนเก่า 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 means old friends. Sometimes you're sitting there, you get a phone call. You're like, who is this guy, right? Pick it up. Hey, who is this? Oh, it's Mike. Mike who? Yeah, your old friends, old buddy. Yeah. เพื่อนเก่า You have some money you can borrow? เพื่อนเก่า All right? เพื่อนเก่า means old friends, high school friends, childhood friends, or whatever. Okay? เพื่อนเก่า. Now, next one is neighbors. We call it เพื่อนบ้าน 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 means neighbors, You have two houses together in that neighborhood, right? No matter how far. It can be close to the house or farther from the house. Oh, I don't care. It's in the same community. Just say like you live here and not 20 miles away. No, that doesn't count as that. Neighbors, like your neighbor, surrounded house. We call it เพื่อนบ้าน เพื่อนบ้าน บ้าน means house or home. Okay, เพื่อน again means friends. เพื่อนบ้าน means neighbors. All right, you like your neighbors? I like my neighbors. They're good. They're good people. So if you guys are watching me right now, you're my best neighbors. Let's put it all in a sentence, okay? You want to be my friend? That's the sentence for today. เป็นเพื่อนกันไหม เป็นเพื่อนกันไหม Regular speed. เป็นเพื่อนกันไหม means you want to be my friend? You want to be friends? I know we talk for a while now and let's hang out, เป็นเพื่อนกันไหม It don't matter what gender they are. You can say that, hey man, you want to be friends? เป็นเพื่อนกันไหม เป็น means being. เพื่อน is friends. กัน is together, like all together. กัน ไหม is a question mark, is a form of a question. เป็นเพื่อนกันไหม You want to be friends together with me? เป็นเพื่อนกันไหม Again, if you want to be polite, I don't want to get into this like in details of like politeness, like ครับ or ค่ะ right? But เป็นเพื่อนกันไหมครับ That's for male speaker. And if you're a female speaker, you can say เป็นเพื่อนกันไหมคะเป็นเพื่อนกันไหมคะ That means you want to be friends with me? And hopefully that answer will be yes. I'm going to give you a bonus one. This one can go two ways. It depends on the context. Fake friends. Fake friends. Not true friends. Someone you cannot trust. All right? In Thailand, we call it เพื่อนกิน เพื่อนกิน. Okay? In the old days, เพื่อนกิน means they're only there when you go eat something, you pay for them. I have plenty of those in Thailand. I no longer a friend with them. If they're watching this, you know who you are. I no longer a friend with you. เพื่อนกิน means fake friends. They're not true friend with you. They only want to be there when you have a good time, when you can buy them something. All right? When you take them out for a meal, they just sit there not paying. Now, in the modern days, this word can be used as it's friends, but only friends when they want to go out and eat. But they don't take advantage of you. They just go out and eat and just like explore and eat more food. You try different pastries. You try different kind of food. You meet up once in a while and just like go and have fun. เพื่อนกิน เพื่อนกิน means let's eat together. Okay? But in the old days, we don't do that. We don't go and mukbang stuff. We're just like, เพื่อนกิน in the old days. My generation, we call them fake friends. It depends on the context. You can use however you want. That's just a quick lesson for today. Okay? My name is Bodo. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. It's Bodo_Thai. Plenty of sentences and words there. So I will see you next time. Keep on practicing and I'll see you soon. Peace.